guys, this is part 2 of cups collection. So we need to start now. This is Dad's cups original. Okay. 3 years. These cups for my dad's collection. Okay. I use this in the work, so it's faded. Use this in grouping, so it's good. Still abusing. Of course, the ruins. One of the hockey team in Esteban. Okay. Should repeat. Cups collection. Okay. And this is the official team in Saskatchewan football team. Canadian Football League. See, this is the logos here in Saskatchewan. The locals here. This is the famous sport football league. This is all of these are used in the job, for the house, working on tree, or going somewhere. I use this always. See, road riders. Saskatchewan logo team. See, this is the official name of the team in football. So this is one almost new, pure black. The other one are my co-employees. We are both the other one. Same black, but it's good. See, nice. And guys, this is the company when I was working in pipes in the rigs. This is the company, the best. Okay. Still new, black combination and gray. See, with the name. I remember jobs in the company job in hard bonding. See, it's good. I'm still using this and keeping this as a remembrance. Complete inspection. The very famous hat, of course. Angry Birds. Yes. Is one of my collection. I'm using this for work, so that's why it's dirty. You know, I like cups. And this is the team in Edmonton or Calgary. The Oilers. The Oilers. See? At one time I wash it. Brown color, light brown color. It's nice. American made, but made in China. So I separate the goods and the bads. See, air cool. I don't know what is this logo gray Nixon classy U-boat. It's good. See, the back is good. This one of my red collection, red cap. See, it's good. I can use this for assembling job or roping job. Before, it's nice. And this one, the black with dragons meaning is one of the new famous pizza in Esteban. See, black. I forgot the name of the pizza. It's in Wayborn and Esteban, but it's see, I use this also in work. Sure beat, black speed. See, I use this before in roping jump. See, arcade jump. Sure beat for safety in the hot season. See, sure beat with the paint. Same thing. Arcade. Faded. Sure beat. Faded and old. This one, gray color. Things good. Nice. Light. Pure green color. Gray color. We use also every summer, spring, inside the shop. See, one of the cups I use people in the roofing in the shop. Still good. It's some denim style. See, another one with our logo. Our logo, beige color. I use this also in the roofing or on the shop in assembler job. Aircool, Sure. Another one is Artline. Gray color, Sure. I use this before in roofing or assembling in the shop. May recently job for now. Of course, logo Canada. One of the famous plug in the locals and the name of the country. Black with a simple color. Kertex. And this one, dark green, plain green, made in Vietnam. See, I can use this for biking, basketball, or walking or at work. This is what you call it London Pug. London Pug. I and this is a famous in London. It's the leather. It's a palos type. Okay. Leather inside. Leather London pack. It's good. I use this sometimes when I'm going to work or driving. Oh, another blue black hat with logo of the owl. Simple. Then streamline. The big kid all cool. Nice lock. Faded. Old. But I can work. I use this in working. This one is new era. Air cool. Air cool. New era. Sure fit. Pure white. Now it's become dirty white. Great names. So say a great not great again. It's dirty because I used this in roofing before. Air cool. One famous branded DQ. DC. It means American made brand. DC shoes. Shuko. Original. DC. New era. One bit size. Original. I use this especially at work or in roofing before. And this one also, I remember I use this in roofing and assembly. The present employer, see, Volvo, blue, beaded. It's good. I can use this instead buy a new one. Save money. Okay. Red. See, this is the Eden construction. I work before I'm going to assembler job. It's faded. Working in. This is issued to the company of Eden. Nice lock. Air cool. FD. My previous employer. See. Another one. Gray color coming from my previous company. See. Eden. See. Air cool. Nice lock. Richardson. Okay. Another one. Same thing. Nice lock. Dirty. The back is good. Air cool. Almost not faded. But this is used. See? 18, 23 years with my official signature. See? Official signature. Nice luck. Bad Light Cup. Simple. For summer. Hiking. Walking. It's good. And the next one is Gauge Cup. Moisture. Pure blue. Small for me. So this Gauge Cup. Other one for painting. Painting cups. Biking. Or protection for your hair under the sun. See? Dirty but light. It's good. I can use this in my work. I don't know what is this, but should be black color faded. Black speed. See? This is nice. Sure fit faded. Pure blue. This is black for painting. Protect your hair. See? Primer. You can buy this at Canadian Tire if you want. See? For painting. The next one. Bowen Island Brewing. Okay. Pure blue. Nice. No damage. I can use this for biking, basketball, or walking or indoor job. See? The other one, of course, Canadian brand. New head. It's nice. Good luck. Air cool black with soed or combination of corduroy. It's nice. Cheap. I use by work. Another one. Shopee brown hat. Element. Element. Brown color. Nice. Simple. If you want comfortable. It's nice to me. See? With protection inside. That's all. Okay. Another one, red color of mail. Previous company. It's faded. Dirty. But the lock is still good. See? So this one, the Gold Star. See? World's best testing coffee. Pure black. Nice lock. Strap. 25 years. Unfaded. It's pure black. See, another one is Wiser Canadian whiskey. Canadian. See, you can use like that. You can use like that. It's up to you. Pure black with carter. Okay, it's okay. Another one, primer with marks of chemicals. Primer, you can buy it Canadian Tire. Okay, dirty look because this is used just a damage and cheap hot. One of the company in Esteban, Dirty Movers. See, Dirt Movers. I guess is here. This company or some other places in Canada. See, strap black, pure black, not totally faded, but it's good for work. See, another one, same thing, pure black, MG Service, Kyoto. See, pure black, nice strap, faded. I can use this for this kind of somewhere. And one of the famous in Esteban, in Port Street, the Artisan KDN ice cream parlor. Pure black, nice strap, Canadian made. It's good. So I separate the old one, the faded, the damage, in good color, not faded. So there is replay. Separate the faded and not faded, and nice and bad cups. This is the same thing. Edison Cannabis Company. See, faded, nice strap, nice lock, air cool, but deform. See, dirty look. That's his use, but we can use even it working or walking the street or biking, basketball, anything. Just protect your heads. Okay. One of the sure beat dirty look. See, sure beat dirty look. Pipes sales MTD. Dirty look. White before. Sure beat. See, dirty marks. It's used in roofing or assembling. Last but not the least, the dirty look cups. I used this for work before. I can't remember. Maybe roofing or I use in the house. Simple, not branded. Dirty. That's all, guys. So see you again for my next videos. Just subscribe and click the button for new videos to come. Thanks for watching. See you again.